How to cancel CapCut Pro subscription. Hey everyone! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your CapCut subscription. So if you've decided you no longer want your CapCut subscription, you can cancel it before the next renewal to avoid being charged. If not, you can simply keep it active until it renews. Alright, let's dive in. First, exit the CapCut app. Then open the Google Play Store or App Store. Next, we need to access your subscriptions. Here's what to do. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Here you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. Look for CapCut Pro. Once you find it, tap on it, and you'll see the option to cancel subscription. Tap that, and then Confirm. Just follow the prompts and that's it. You're all done. For desktop, just head over to CapCut.com, log into your account, and you'll find the option to cancel your subscription there. Simple and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.